To create a Demat account with Alice Blue, log into Alice Blue's official website. Click on Open Account and fill in your details such as name, email address, mobile number, and your state. Now, click on Open Account in 15 minutes. Here, enter your mobile number and enter the OTP to get your mobile number verified. Select your native state once again and click on Continue. Next, we need to verify our email address. Enter your email address and enter the OTP you received in your email. Enter a PIN for your account. Either note it down or keep it somewhere safe because you will be using this to log into your account later. Validate. So here we'll need all these documents to create our account. Here we need our Aadhaar and PAN card to proceed further, which we can upload from DigiLocker. If you forgot your DigiLocker PIN, click on Forgot PIN and enter your birth date with the year and set a new PIN. Okay. After reviewing, click Allow. Here we need to enter our bank details such as our account number and the IFSC code. Click on Validate. Here, select the products that you would like to trade in, such as mutual funds, futures and options, currency or commodity. Next, you can either select your bank account from here, or if in case your bank is not here, you can upload your payslip or your salary slip. Select salary slips from the drop-down menu of income proof type, upload the document and enter the password if it is password protected. Enter your personal and financial details over here. Add a nominee here if you wish to. Add the nominee details. Validate. Here, you'll need to answer a couple of generic questions. It's filled by default. If you wish to change certain details, you're free to do so. Validate. Now, a live picture of yours will be taken. You can either take a photo via your PC or you can send the link to your mobile phone. Get the required permissions for your browser and click a selfie. Provide your digital signature and save it. Don't forget to select a brokerage plan and your Demat preference. Cross-review your details and click Agree. You have to read through the policies and click on Continue. Complete your e-sign by providing your Aadhaar number and verifying the mobile number linked with your Aadhaar card. Complete e-sign. Answer these questions to tailor your trading experience. Now, the e-sign has been completed and we have to wait for the account to be verified and activated from the backend. Once the verification and activation is completed, you will get your login credentials which you can further use to log into your account. If you have filled in all your credentials correctly, you will receive your account opening email a day or two later. To log into your account, visit Alice Blue's website, click on the drop-down menu beside Login, select Ant Web Trading Platform, enter your mobile number followed by the OTP you'll get. Next, enter your email address and verify it with the OTP you'll receive at the email address. Lastly, set a password for your account. And you have logged into your account over here. Happy trading!
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.